Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted photos and videos on iOS or iPhone. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and open up your photos. Okay, lots of examples that you're trying to find a photo that you deleted right here. What you're gonna do, you're gonna just scroll a little bit down until you find that recently deleted, and then you're gonna confirm via facial recognition, right? And then basically you're gonna find right here the photo or the video that you deleted, right? But if that video or photo was deleted and you couldn't find it right here, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to your screen and then go ahead to the official website of iCloud. And then what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead, log in with your, of course, Apple account, and you're gonna scroll a little bit down right here, scroll a little bit down till you find the photos, click on the photos, and basically you're gonna be able to see it like an album right here. Let me just click right here, the memories, and recently deleted, and you're gonna find right here the photos or the videos that you deleted. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.